they have different signs, subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. If they have the same sign, simply add them. I'm here. Do you wanna play hide and seek? That's one subtracted. How do we subtract integers?
In subtracting integers, we have this rule called KCC, or keep changing, where we keep the sign of the first number, we change the operation, and we change the sign of the other number.
There you are.
One life remaining.
Do you know how to multiply integers?
In multiplying integers, we only need to remember two things. If they have the same sign, it's always positive. And if they have different signs, it's negative.
Not for long. Let's divide integers. Dividing integers also have the same rule as multiplying integers. That if it has the same sign, it's always positive. And if it's always negative, it has a different sign.